on him.
Okay, well, I can't wait to open this and play with it, so let's start. It looks like someone probably opened it already, a little. Oh, I just found a clue. Ball on. Okay, here he is. Let's see what this is. Oh, wait, I have a clue. This is the bottle. It's the shape of a bottle. It feels like a bottle. And yes, it is. Okay, well, he's about to see his new girlfriend, but I know it's a boy, but that's what I'm saying he. But here we go. These are the shoes. Do. Here's one. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, he looks like he's in karate. Okay, so now I'll open this. Oh dear. Well, what is this? Oh, a necklace. Oh, cute. This is a hat. I can tell. Okay, here's the boy. Wow! Here he is. Okay, I'm gonna put his outfit on. Why did you put your boy here?
Stop.
Okay, well, this is the other way around. Do you like it? You can take the hat off and then the off. And then put real water in it. I'm gonna put the bottle up front. And okay, well, I like his color, like down on his pants, like red and white, like Alabama, and then his gloves are red. And I like that. And he has a little shirt under here. And then his B is for baseball. And then his hat's B for baseball too. And then red and white still.